Hello everyone, this is Razra from India, and today we are going to talk about one of the flankers of the 1 million line. It is 1 million Privé from the house of Paco Rabanne, and it is my favorite flanker of the whole line, and it is definitely my favorite as well as a very sweet spicy fragrance. And this DNA is definitely the most successful, the most sold, the most popular DNA from the whole Paco Rabanne house. So it is just I want to say that instead of trying new things, they have just released a lot of flankers in this line because of the success of 1 million, which was released way back in 2008. They have a lot of flankers in this line, the 1 million, the 1 million Lucky. Recently they have launched the Parfum edition, the Cologne 1 million Intense, then the 1 million Absolutely Gold, then the 1 million Dollar. Also they have some collector editions as well. So out of all those, some of them I have not tried yet, but most of them I have tried, and out of all those, this is my favorite, the 1 million Privé. And it is a oriental woody kind of fragrance, although in my opinion it is a sweet, spicy and a bit mature version of the 1 million original 1 million, but is still I would say it is not for mature people, although it is more mature than the original 1 million in my opinion, but still it is very sweet, and it is not a typical very mature, ultra macho, super masculine fragrance. It is not like that. It is very unisex in my opinion. So I will talk all these things in detail. So first talk about its packaging and presentation. So this is the 50 ml. They also have a 100 ml and I guess also a 200 ml for this. So you can see the box, the nice golden colored box. Nothing on left, nothing on right. The Paco Rabanne logo on top, and on the front you can see the 1 million Privé, and this is the house name, and it is in EDP concentration, and then the size 50 ml 1.7 fluid ounces. In the back you can see the batch code, QR code as well, and all those barcode and all those sort of things. And on the back you can see the ingredients, and it is made in France. So this was all about it box. You can see also inside nothing much. Very nice golden colored box, the typical of 1 million line. So this was all about the box. I like this bottle's design a lot, although for those who want to decant the fragrance, this is not the ideal for them, because you just cannot release it very easily like other fragrances. So it is a nice design with a transparent bottle from back, so you can see the juice level from the back, and on the bottom you can see the details, the batch code and all those sort of things. In the front, as you can see, a very nice 1 million Privé, again the house name, and this is the atomizer, this is the sprayer. You can see how good it shoots. Not the best, but decent, very decent I would say. So this was all about its packaging and presentation. Now this is so good, I just love this. So now talk about it notes. In the opening you will get a blood orange as well as tonka and cinnamon, and as it settles down after a few minutes, after I would say 10 to 15 minutes, as the blood orange will slowly starts fading, you will get a very nice mega note as well as sweet tobacco note, and it lasts for and also the tonka will persist, as well as there will be some spices, cinnamon, hint of cinnamon as well. So this will be the main scent, the heart note, that will persist for a long time. And after that, after I would say 5 to 6 hours, it becomes your skin scent, and you will start noticing some hint of patchouli, and it will give some powdery feeling as well, and it lasts for around 7 hours. On my skin it lasted for around that much of time. So the performance is quite impressive. I will just give 9 out of 10 for its performance. It lasted for around 7 hours, I would say, a bit more than 7 hours, not 8 hours. and the projection is also good but not that great in my opinion. The projection is pretty moderate, and it projects for around a little bit more than an hour, I would say. And the sillage is also not that great, again a very average, I would say, in terms of projection and sillage. It is not the best, very average, very moderate, kind of very decent, I would say. And but the performance is really good in my opinion. I have also listed it in the top 5 fragrances for the winter. You can check the link. Now, who should wear this? It is as it is somewhat sugary sweet, some synthetic vibe as well, so it is not very mature fragrance. It is best for teenagers as well as some middle-aged guys, and also unisex in my opinion. But if you are looking for a very mature kind of fragrance for I would say 40 plus 50 plus sort of guys, so this is not for them. And it is ideal in the cold weather. It has the warmth, it has the spiciness, it has the sweetness, it has the depth, it is somewhat complex as well, so it is ideal for cold weather in my opinion. This fragrance does not go really well in the summer heat, so of course avoid this during that time. So it's better in the cold weather, in the winter night. As far as compliments are concerned, this is a crowd pleasure, a very good compliment getter. I have got a lot of compliments out of it, although it is synthetically sugary sweet, but that is what the crowd like, most of us like. So it will give you a lot of compliments. I will give 9.5 out of 10 for its compliment factors. It is great in my opinion in the compliment factor. Now, the price to value ratio. It is currently going on discounts at 25% in India at Shoppers Stop. So at that price, if you are getting at that price, because it is priced at 4800 I guess for 50 ml, so I got it for around 3600 odd rupees for 50 ml. So at that price it is 10 out of 10 for price to value ratio. But if you got it even on the retail price, it is a good value, but not 10 out of 10 definitely, because you have a lot of other options at this price segment as well. But for 3500 rupees you get the 50 ml juice, and it is great value to ratio, price to value ratio at that price point. Now, the final recommendation or the final statement. So if you are looking for a sweet, spicy, warm, rich, a bit complex, a bit playful winter fragrance, then this is definitely worth try for you. I will definitely recommend this. From a very successful house, and the most successful DNA from the house, so definitely this is worth a try in my honest opinion. I would rate it 8 out of 10 overall. So thank you. It was all about 1 million Privé.